In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage page roles and access using Meta Business Suite. Whether you're new to managing a Facebook page or looking to fine-tune your team's access, this guide will help you navigate through the process with ease. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to head over to the Meta Business Suite. This is your central hub for managing your Facebook business assets. Once you're there, look for the Settings option. It's your gateway to fine-tuning who has access to your business pages and what roles they play. You'll find it by simply clicking on the Settings button, which is usually located on the sidebar. This step is crucial because it opens up a range of options for managing your page roles and access. After clicking on Settings, the next step is to navigate to the People section. This is where you can see all the individuals who currently have access to your business assets. It's important to regularly review this list to ensure that only the right people have the right access. You'll likely find this section in the drop-down menu under Users or something similar. Once you're there, you'll have a clear view of who is involved with your business page. Now, to adjust roles or access, look for the three-dot menu next to each person's name. Clicking on this will reveal a menu of options. This is where you can manage their roles, such as adding new people, removing access, or changing someone's role. It's a straightforward process, but it's always a good idea to double-check before making any changes to ensure everything is set up correctly. When you're clicking through these menus, keep in mind the importance of assigning the correct roles. For instance, an admin role has full access, allowing them to make significant changes, while an editor has more limited capabilities. Carefully consider what level of access each person needs for their responsibilities. Finally, after making any changes, always review your settings to confirm everything is as it should be. Ensuring that your business page is securely managed with the appropriate roles will help maintain smooth operations and protect your business information. And there you have it! Managing page roles and access using Meta Business Suite is a straightforward process once you know where to go and what to look for. Regularly reviewing and updating access is a best practice that ensures your page is both secure and efficiently managed. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has made the process clearer and more manageable for you. Be sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this one.